Prick eggplant with a knife and then roast it directly on flame. Drop roasted eggplant in water and start removing eggplant skin. Once the skin is removed, start mashing it. Now let's prepare the bharta. 2 tablespoons of oil and then add jeera, chopped onion. The more the onion and tomatoes in bharta, the tastier it will be. Then add tomato puree, red chili powder, black pepper powder, salt, turmeric powder, and you will need to keep it half roasted. That's how my mom prepares Baigan ka bharta Punjabi style. Then add mashed eggplant and cook it on medium flame for at least 5 minutes. That's it. Decorate with coriander leaves, fresh, and enjoy Punjabi Baigan ka bharta mom style. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.